Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lakshmi Narayan, and today we are going to see the Tata Nexon Dark Edition. We are going to Prerana Motors. I will give the number of the person on that showroom so you can contact for any queries and purchases of a Tata Nexon or any other Tata cars. Let's get straight into the video.
This is all new 2021 Tata Nexon Dark Edition and looks really beautiful and classy. On the front you see a Tata logo and a sonic silver beltline, and also on the front air dam you see a tri-arrow design and a cladding in silver. The car what you see is a XZA plus optional model in manual petrol. Fog lamp has a piano black finish, and this is the projector headlamp and a low beam, and that console inbuilds a turn indicator light. This is your ORVM with turn indicator. On the fender of the car, you get a dark theme emblem, and this is beautifully finished in chrome. And both the side of the fender, you find this emblem. This is your windshield wiper blades. On the top of the car, you get a sunroof and a beautifully finished piano black shark fin antenna. Tata Nexon has a 16-inch charcoal alloy wheels. This comes with a 215/60 R16 Goodyear excellent tires. Tata Nexon has a 209 mm ground clearance, and this will come really handy on the Indian roads. This is a side profile of the car, and this looks really premium and classy. On the window line of the car, you see a sonic silver belt line insert, and this gives the car a sporty look. Rear of the Tata Nexon have a Tata badging and a reverse parking camera. Rear boot they have given a silver insert and a Nexon badging. And also on the rear bumper, you have a silver insert to give a car a sporty character. And on the turn indicator, they have given a halogen bulbs. Tata Nexon gives you two engine options to choose from: a 1.2 liter 3-cylinder petrol engine that produces 120 PS and 170 Newton meter of torque, or a 1.5 liter 4-cylinder turbocharged diesel engine that produces 110 PS and 260 Nm of torque. And this is mated to a 6-speed automatic or a manual transmission. As we already seen the exterior of the car, now let's get into the car and see how the interiors looks like. Tata Nexon gets a dark interior pack. This perfectly complements the contrast dark exterior color. I personally like the dark color interiors, and this looks really premium. Tata Nexon comes with two smart key, and this is your fully digital instrument cluster, very clear and crisp. I really like this chunky steering wheel, and on the left hand side you have audio control option, on the center you have a Tata badging, and on the right hand side you have cruise control options. This is a one-touch engine start-stop button. Tata Nexon get a premium black tri-arrow dashboard panel, and this looks very classy, and it can attract dust. To be honest, you need to keep it clean to look shiny. On the center console, you get a Tata Nexon badging, and also on the AC vents, you get a piano black insert to give this car a premium look. This is your multi-drive mode selector knob, and you can select from Eco, City or Sports modes. And this is your center console, comes with the 7-inch touchscreen system and connected car feature. And also on the center console, you will get a USB and a 12-watt socket. This is your armrest, and also it comes with the storage space. Tata Nexon comes with a cooled glove box, so you can keep your drinks cool in your long drives. Tata Nexon has a red color reflector inside the door. This comes really handy in the night times. Doorknob has a piano black insert, and also on the doors you can keep 1 liter water bottles. Tata Nexon gets a black leatherette seats with tri-arrow perforations. Also on the headrest you get a dark badging embroidery done. Tata Nexon doors open really wide, so getting in and out of the car will be really easy. You will get a 350 liter of boot space and a puncture repair kit, along with a spare wheel that is 15 inches and that is a normal steel rim. I hope this information was helpful for you. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.